Hello everyone, this is Ajay. Welcome back to Let Us Learn. This is your online classroom. Before begin our today's class, let us take few minutes to quickly revise what we have learned in the last session. What did we discuss in the last session? Yes, we focused on article, one of the important grammar topic in English. What are articles? What do they do? What are different kinds of articles? Yes, we have discussed all about articles in the previous session. So what are articles? Yes, all articles are words that defines as nouns as specific or unspecific. Okay, articles are words that define nouns as specific means particular or unspecific, general, whether a noun is specific or unspecific. So by using articles we can define articles. So you know how many articles are there? Yes, 3: a or an and the. These are called articles in English. So a or an called as indefinite article. The is called definite article. Okay, so a or an commonly used before singular noun, as we have discussed in the last session. Okay, a or an called as definite or indefinite article. The is called definite article. A or an commonly used before singular noun. Okay, and we have seen different cases where we have to use a and where we have to use an. So generally that is a common mistake for all. So where we have to use a and where we have to use an. So where should we use a? Yes, a article a should be used before consonant sound. Okay, not consonant letter, that is a common mistake. So before consonant sounds we use a. Vowel sounds we use an, not vowel letters. Okay, so before vowel letters, a word begin with vowel letter, we use an. That is a common mistake. So we don't use letters begin with vowel, words begin with vowel letters. We don't use an before words begin with vowel letters. Okay, we only use an before words that start with vowel sound, not vowel letter. Keep in mind. So before vowel sounds we use an, before consonant sound we use an. Okay, not consonant letter, consonant sound. Consonant sound of the word we use a, and vowel sounds, the first letter of the word, first sound of the word, we use an. So that is the difference between usage of a and an. And we have also seen many different examples where indefinite article, that is a or an, can be used. So many cases, and with some examples, couple of examples, we have seen how to use indefinite article, and also we have seen where indefinite article should not be used. Okay, we have also discussed. So in today's class we will focus on definite article, that is the. The is used before nouns that are particular or referred to, as we have discussed. Where should we use the? The is used before nouns that are specific or particular or already referred to. Already referred, it is already mentioned, again you want to mention again. Already we talked about particular noun. Okay, now nothing, and again you have to talk about on the same noun, then we use the definite article. Definite article the is used before a particular or already referred. Okay, Let us see some examples how to use definite article, where we have to use the and where we should not use the. Okay, so before that we begin with a small exercise, like read the paragraph and identify the articles in the paragraph. So read the paragraph on the screen. Two students were talking about an American astronaut. The first one was an artist, the second one was a dancer. The artist said to the dancer, "Why is it difficult to go to the sun?" "Because it's very hot. If you go near the sun, we will melt," he said, the dancer. Then the artist said, "What's there? We can go at night." Okay, you get the meaning? A small paragraph. So read once again and observe the articles. Two students were talking about an American astronaut. The first one was an artist and the second one was a dancer. The artist said to the dancer, why is it difficult to go to the sun?" "Because it is very hot. If you go near the sun, we will melt," said the dancer. Then the artist said, "What is there? We can go at night." Okay, so observe the articles. Two students are talking to about an American astronaut. Here what is the article? And why should we use an? Revise what we have learned in the previous session. An American astronaut. American. So begin with American. We begin with vowel sound. So that's why we use an American astronaut. So an is a indefinite article, not particular. If you want again use the same American astronaut, then we can say the American astronaut. But the first time we are using, so that is indefinite article. And is used because American, so begins with vowel sound. Okay, American astronaut. The first one was an artist and the second one was a dancer. Here observe the first one and the second one. Why should we use the? Because in the first sentence we have already mentioned them. Already two students. Observe, two students. Okay, again we are talking about them again. So that's why we are referring to them. That's why here we use the. Okay, already we have learned the is used before nouns that is particular or referred to. Here we are going to refer them second time. So that's why the first one was an artist here, and the second one was a dancer. Here observe the first one, the second one, we are referring to them. Already we have mentioned in the first sentence. Okay, that's why we are in the when we are going to refer them again, then we use the first one, the second one, that is. And observe another article. An artist, a dancer. An artist, a dancer. So observe, why should we use an artist and why should we use a dancer? Yes, an artist and a, these are indefinite articles, is not particular. An artist, that is begin with vowel sound, that's why we use an artist. Dancer begin with consonant sound, so we use a. Okay, that both are indefinite articles. And a, both are indefinite articles, but based on the rule. What is the rule? Before vowel sounds we have to use an, before consonant sounds we have to use a. Like the artist said to the dancer. Here observe that before previous line we use an artist and a dancer. So next again we are going to refer them again. So that's why an artist become the artist, a dancer become the dancer. So here observe the, where we use the. Okay, the is a definite article, a particular person, thing. Before particular noun we use the. So here we are referring the artist. The artist means already we have discussed about the artist in the previous line, previous sentence. There an artist. Again we are going to talk about the same artist. That's why we use the. We are referring to the specific person. So the artist said to the dancer. Observe the different how the articles are changed. Okay, so in the previous sentence an artist and a dancer, again we are going to refer again. So then the artist said to the dancer, why is it difficult to go to the sun? Observe, go to the sun, we use the before sun. So why should we use the article before sun? Let us learn in this class. So sun is the unique. So unique objects we use the, because it is very hot. If you go near the sun, we will melt, said the dancer. Here observe the dancer. Again we are talking about the same dancer. Then the artist said, observe the artist, the dancer. What is there? We can go at night, he said. Here observe how the is used, and a and the articles are used. Okay, like so in today's class we will focus on definite article, the where we have to use definite article and where we should not use definite articles with some examples. Okay, first, as the first rule, definite article the is used with nouns which are specific, unique, and which have some distinction. First rule, note down the first rule. The is used with nouns which are specific nouns, are unique, and which have some distinction. Before specific nouns, unique nouns, and which have some distinction, there we use the. Okay, for example, the sun, unique, the moon, the sea, the weather, the Pacific. Pacific is a ocean, the Pacific. Okay, the Himalayas, the pyramids, the North Pole, the Salarjung Museum, the Charminar. These are unique, distinction. Only one Charminar is there. Like the Warangal Fort, the Church of South India. Okay, before nouns which are specific, unique, and some distinction, there we use definite article the. So these are some example. So next rule, before nouns known to the speaker or listener, already known nouns, there we use definite article the. Okay, the railway station, about the railway station, then you have to mention the railway station, then you use the railway station. The commissioner, the principal, the mayor, like that, known to the speaker or listener, already known to you. So that's why, so before such nouns we use the. Okay, the railway station, the commissioner, the principal, the mayor. Next, let us see another rule. Note it down, all the rules, because it is important especially in correction of errors. Okay, coming to examination point of view, in correction of errors, so you may do lot of mistakes using articles where we have to use a and, already we have discussed, and coming to the definite article where we have to use the. These are some rules. Okay, next rule is with musical instruments. Okay, singular, musical instruments singular, then we use the definite article. Musical instruments are nouns. Okay, before musical instruments which are singular, only in singular, then we use the. Note it down. Lord Krishna played the flute. Here observe. Played the flute. Played a not played a flute. Played the flute. Because flute is a musical instrument, that is a singular. So before musical instruments we have to use the. Okay, this is the rule. Note it down. So musical instruments, before musical instruments we use the. Okay. Another one. A.R. Rahman impressed us with his performance on the guitar. On the guitar. Guitar is also a musical instrument. So it is singular noun. That is also musical instrument. So before musical instruments we use the. Okay. Note it down. Next one. With nouns used as an example of a class and as example of a class. Okay, one category. Okay, those nouns we used as a one example as a category or class. For example, the camel is a ship of the desert. Here observe, the camel is a ship of the desert. The camel means here a class. Okay, it's a camel race. Camel means all camels. Like it here it symbolizes one class, the camel, the desert. Okay, the desert is a specific name. The lion is the king of the jungle. Here also, the lion. Okay, so jungle means any jungle, but that is a symbolic. We are using like symbolic. That is a example of a class. Okay, the lion means all lions is a category of lions. It is one example. So before nouns used an example of class. The camel is the ship of the desert. The lion is the king of the jungle. Next, definite article the is used with nouns referring to a part of the human body. So note it down. This is also most important. Nouns referring to the part of a human body. So before human bodies, part of the human bodies, organs we use the. Okay, the heart is very important organ of our body. The heart is very important organ of our body. The heart, not a heart, not an heart. The heart. So before organs, the heart. The tongue decide the taste factor. Here, the tongue decide the taste factor. Here, another example. Let's move to another rule. If the is placed before an adjective that is used as a noun, it conveys the meaning of plural noun. Okay, observe, this is another rule. If the is placed before an adjective that is used as a noun, so generally sometimes we use adjectives used before adjectives. Those adjectives are used as a noun. Okay, in that case we use the. Actually it was an adjective. Okay, actually the word was an adjective, but we use that adjective as a noun. In that cases we use the. For example, the blind are very active. Here only take the word blind. Blind is an adjective. Okay, blind is an adjective, but in this case same blind is used as a noun. Blind are active. So here blind is adjective, but in this case, in this example, we take blind as a noun, subject, noun. So that's why in that case we use the blind. The blind means blind persons. Here the blind means blind persons. Actually blind is a word that is an adjective, but in this example we use blind as a noun. So that's why while adjective and adjective is using as a noun, in that case we use the with the blind. Okay, the blind or active. The blind means here the blind people. Next we have to help the poor. Here also we have to help the poor. The poor means poor persons. Okay, this is another important rule of where we have to use definite article the. Next one, with most common time expressions. Note it down. with most common time expressions. Okay, morning, evening, night, like that. Okay, the minister is arriving in the morning. The minister is arriving in the morning. We'll go and meet them in the evening. We'll go and meet them in the evening, the morning, the evening. These are common time expressions. Before common time expressions, we use the. Next one, to refer back before a noun may definitely by mentioning again. Already we have discussed this one. If you are going to mention again, to refer to, that is also one of the rule. Okay, so basic rule of the is used before nouns that are particular, that are specific and referred to. If you want to mention the same noun again, then we use the. Okay, refer back. I met a girl and a boy at the railway station. Observe, I met a girl, a boy at the railway station. In the first sentence we use a girl, a boy, because those are not specific. In first case, first sentence, those are not specific. Okay, coming to second sentence, the girl is about 10 years old and the boy is about 5 years old. In the second sentence, again we are going to talk about those what we have mentioned in the first line. So again we are going to refer to them. So in that case we use the. I met a girl and a boy at the railway station. A girl, a boy. Next we are going to talk about them. We are going to refer about them. So that case, the girl is about 10 years old and the boy is about 5 years old. So we are refer back. In that case we use the. Is the most basic rule of the indefinite article, the usage of the. Okay, so another case, referring to forward when the noun is qualified by a class. So forward, same. Another one is backward, next one is forward. Forward means already we talked about the person and we are going to refer about them. For example, the student whom I motivated became a teacher. Here observe, I motivated a student, so the student became a writer, like that. I motivated a student, the student become a writer. Yeah, the student. So same, it is used in a complex sentence. The student whom I motivated, I motivated a student, the student become a writer. So you are referring forward, the same student. I am referring to the student whom I motivated. The student means whom I motivated become a writer. The student become a writer. I motivate. For example, same. This is in two class. This is a full sentence, but we can divide into two sentences. Using class to make them one. I motivated a student. The student become a writer. These two sentences. So then we became one sentence. The student whom I motivated became a writer, like that. So referring to forward. Okay, the novel I bought yesterday is interesting. I bought a novel yesterday. The novel was interesting, like that. Two sentences. Then here we are referring forward. The novel I bought yesterday is interesting. So observe, the novel I bought interesting. Okay, here referring forward. So I am talking about the novel which I bought yesterday. Okay, I bought yesterday. We are referring about the same novel which I bought yesterday. So that's why we use the. Okay, observe the difference between this one referring forward, referring backward. So those are we are referring. Already we are talking about the same noun, same thing or same person whom we are going to mention. Okay, so next rule, before adjectives in the superlative degree. So before adjectives, superlative degree. So degrees of comparison. So in the next sessions, in the coming lessons, as a part of series of lessons on English grammar. We are going to learn about degrees of comparison. So there are three degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. 3 degrees of comparison. So there. So we are going to learn in the coming classes. So in superlative degree, that is a third degree. First degree, positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So in superlative degree, before that we use the definite article. All superlative degrees, before all superlative degrees we use the. For example, R.K. Narayan is one of the greatest Indian writers in English. R.K. Narayan is one of the greatest writers in English. Observe the, where we used before greatest. Greatest is the superlative degree. So 3 degrees are there: positive, comparative, superlative. For example, great is an adjective. Great is a positive degree. Greater is a comparative degree. Greatest is a superlative degree. For every adjective there are 3 degrees. For every adjective there are 3 degrees. Adjective has 3 forms: positive form, comparative form, and superlative form. So greatest is a superlative form of great. Great is an adjective. Great is a positive degree. Greater, comparative degree, greatest, superlative degree. So before every superlative degrees we use the. Note it down. Generally we make mistakes here also. Okay. Honest is the best policy. Honest is the best policy. The best. Why we use the before best? Yes, best is a superlative degree. So good, better, best. Good is positive, better is comparative, best is superlative. So before all superlative degrees we use the indefinite article. Okay. Next, before ordinals. So before ordinals. So already we have learned in adjectives. Okay. In adjectives is a part of speech. While learning adjectives we have discussed about ordinal numbers and cardinal numbers. Okay, that is also a type of adjectives. Okay, ordinal numbers, cardinal numbers. What is ordinal? First, second, third, fourth, these are ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these cardinal numbers. So before all ordinal numbers we use the. This is another rule. Before ordinals. So before that we have to know about the difference between ordinals and cardinals. Ordinal is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like that. Cardinal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So before ordinal numbers we use the. Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize. Okay, the first Indian. First, second is the ordinal number. So we use the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize, that is a unique prize, distinction prize. Many prizes are there, but Nobel Prize is unique. So before Nobel Prize we use the Nobel Prize, not a Nobel Prize, the Nobel Prize, that is unique. Okay, the first Indian, the first, because first is ordinal. Okay, Kiran Bedi is the first woman IPS officer in India. The first woman here also first woman. Okay, ordinals. This is another rule. Next, definite article the is used before only when used as adjective. So before only is a word. So when only used an adjective, in that case we use the before only. Only is a word, here we used as an adjective. Okay, in that case we use definite article before only when it is used as an adjective. Ashok was the only student who raised doubt about the articles. Ashok was the only student who raised about articles. Only student out of 40 students. So only Ashok raised doubts on articles. Here the only student. So only is used as an adjective. Okay, that case we use the before only. Abdul Kalam is the only president who was also a scientist here. Okay, many presidents are there, but Abdul Kalam is the only scientist who became president. Abdul Kalam is the only president who was also a scientist. Okay, only president, the only president. In that case, that is in the rule. So note down all the rules. Don't be confused. Next, before names of seas, rivers, chains of mountains, groups of islands, canals, waterfalls, etc. Before these names, these are all nouns, you know. Okay, these are all nouns. Before these names of seas, rivers, chains of mountains, groups of islands, canals, waterfalls, we used definite article the Atlantic Ocean, okay, the Bay of Bengal, the Indian Ocean Sea, Indian Ocean, not sea, the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, like that. Okay, Indian Ocean, okay, Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, like the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, like that. The Atlantic Ocean, the Himalayas. Observe, Himalayas is not a peak, it is a chain of mountains, as you know, as you may have studied in social studies. Okay, a chain of mountains, Himalayas is not only one, it is a chain of mountains. So in that case we use the Himalayas, the Andamans, okay, islands, group of islands, Andaman, okay, the Niagara is a waterfalls, you know, the Niagara, the Godavari is a river, the Godavari, the Krishna, okay, the Yamuna, the Sarayu, like that, the Kakatiya canal, okay. Before names of seas, rivers, chain of mountains, group of islands, canals, waterfalls, so we use the definite article the. Don't forget this rule, okay. The Krishna river, the Godavari, the Yamuna, okay, the Sarayu, like that. Next, another. Before names of countries or states, proper nouns which signify the combination of more than one unit, and those which have words like Republic, United Kingdom, Federation, like this is another case. Before names of countries or states, you know, these are proper nouns which signify a combination of more, okay. The United States of America, so America is a country, but it is a combination of 50 states. 50 states is called as a United States of America. So in that case we use America, we use the United States of America. The United Kingdom, UK, it is a combination of 3 countries, like it is a federation. The United Kingdom, the Republic of Germany, the Netherlands, like that. Another case. Next, before names of some books of religious importance, so note it down. Books, before the books, important books, religious importance, some books of religious importance, the Gita, the Bhagavad Gita. So never use a Bhagavad Gita or an Bhagavad Gita. The Bhagavad Gita, the Gita, because it is a religious importance. The Ramayana, okay, the Mahabharata, the Bible, the Quran, the Guru Granth Sahib, okay, is a religious book of 6, like that. So before the names of some books of religious importance, we use definite article the Ramayana, okay, the Mahabharata, the Bhagavad Gita, like that, okay. Sometimes if the author's name is mentioned, the is not used. Note it down. This is also common mistake. Okay, if you want to use the Ramayana, no problem. If you want to use the writer's name, Valmiki Ramayana, never use the Valmiki Ramayana. Only mention Valmiki Ramayana, not the Valmiki Ramayana. Okay, right? The Ramayana, but not Valmiki's, but the Valmiki Ramayana, but not the Valmiki Ramayana. The Mahabharata. Okay. If you want to use it with your author's name, who is the author of Mahabharata? Yes, Vyas, Veda Vyas. Okay. The Mahabharata and Vyasa's Mahabharata, not the Vyasa's Mahabharata. Okay, note it down. Like another case, before the types of meal, if noun are mentioned earlier or later. Okay, before nouns of meal. So already we have discussed about meals. Before the names of meals, we need not to use indefinite article. In the previous class we have discussed where we have to use indefinite article ar and where we use indefinite article. So in that case, so before names of meals we need not to use indefinite article ar and, already discussed. But if you want to refer again, for example breakfast, lunch, etc., we want to first time need not to use any article. Okay, another case we have to refer again, then we use definite article. Okay, the lunch, the breakfast, because we are talking about we are referring to the same, referring the breakfast, the lunch, the dinner, the supper, like that. Okay, before the types of meals, if known are mentioned earlier or later. The lunch served at your home was very delicious. Here observe the lunch. The lunch here served at your home was delicious. I am talking about the lunch which you served to me yesterday night. So I am referring to the lunch which you served me yesterday night. It was delicious. Though in that case we use the lunch served at your home was very delicious. Okay, it is already mentioned. I am mentioning the one which you served yesterday night, like that. That is one case. Next, before comparatives which they are repeated more less, before comparative degrees. Okay, so adjectives, there are 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. We are going to learn about degrees of comparison in coming lessons. So before comparatives, when they are repeated more less, like this comparative repeated, in that case we use the. For example, the more you learn, the more you discover your ignorance. Here observe more, these are comparatives, and again repeated. So in that case we use the more you learn, the more you discover. More you learn, more you discover. More, these are comparative repeated. So that's why you use the more you learn, the more you discover your ignorance. Same, the less you work, the less you get. The less you work, the less you get. The less, these are comparatives. They are repeated. So in that case we use definite article the less you work, the less you get. Okay, next, another case, before proper nouns used as common nouns. Before proper nouns used as common, actually those are proper nouns but we used as common nouns some cases. As okay, as for example, Ashok is a Sachin of their team. Ashok is a Sachin of their team. Here observe, Sachin is a proper noun, Sachin Tendulkar, you know, but here we use as a common noun, the Sachin of our team. So Ashok is playing like Sachin. Okay, here Ashok is a proper noun and Sachin is also proper noun, but here Sachin is used as a common noun. Okay, in that case Ashok is the Sachin of their team. High-tech city is the Silicon Valley of Telangana. You know Silicon Valley in America. Okay, Silicon Valley, that is as a proper noun, but here we use as a common noun. Okay, high-tech city in Hyderabad is Silicon Valley of Telangana state. High-tech city is the Silicon Valley of Telangana state. We are comparing high-tech city in Hyderabad to Silicon Valley. Okay, we are signifying like that. High-tech city is the Silicon Valley of Telangana. Silicon Valley is a proper noun, but here we used as a common noun. That is another case. Next, definite article the is used before nouns which name the people of a country collectively. That is another case. Before nouns which name the people of a country collectively. The English ruled India for more than 2 centuries. The English means here the English people. Okay, that is a, here English is used as a collective noun. So that's why we use the English means here the English people. Okay, the English people ruled over India for more than 2 centuries. Here the English is used as a common noun, collective noun. So English. So the English. That is one case. Next, before surnames used in plurals. This is another case. The Billas established Kesoram cement factory. The Billas. So Birla is a surname, but here Birlas is used as plural name. Billas, Ambanis, like that. Birla is a surname, Ambani is a surname. Ambani is plural. We used as a plural. These are surnames but used as plurals. In that case, we use the Tatas, the Gandhis, like, okay. The Tatas are pioneers in steel industry. This is another case where we used definite article the. Next, before abstract nouns. Before abstract nouns, unless they are used to particularized. Joy, sorrow, patience. Okay. So, sorry, we are focused on where definite article is not used. So far in this class, we have discussed where we have to use the is a definite article. We have seen about more than 10 cases where we have to use 10 rules where we have to use the, like before surnames of plurals, okay, before proper noun used as common noun, before names of some books of religious importance, before names of seas, rivers. Here we have seen more than 10 cases where rules where we have to use definite articles. So next, another one is where we need not to use definite article the. Definite article the is not used before abstract nouns. Before abstract nouns, we need not to use the. Joy, sorrow, patience, excitement, anger, determination, knowledge. These are all abstract nouns. What are the abstract nouns? Yes, we cannot recognize by our senses. Those are abstract nouns. This is one kind of noun. We have already discussed in parts of speech. Nouns is one kind of noun, abstract nouns. Those which cannot be touched or smell, okay, which cannot be recognized by our senses. Those are called abstract nouns. Joy, we cannot touch, okay, we cannot smell, we cannot taste, we cannot see, we cannot hear joy, but we can only feel, okay. Joy, sorrow, patience, excitement, anger, determination, knowledge, etc. These are all called as abstract nouns. Before abstract nouns, we need not to use definite article the. Next, before proper nouns. So this is important rule. Before proper nouns, we need not to use the. India, Telangana, Hyderabad, Nalgonda, Siddharth, like, never use the India, the Telangana, the Nalgonda. Before proper nouns, we need not to use the. This in the rule. Before names of meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner. So same rule already where we have to, if you want to mention again before the types of meal, if known or already mentioned, in that case we can use the. For example, you have seen the lunch served at your home yesterday night was delicious. In that case we use the lunch because I am mentioning, I am referring the lunch which you have served me yesterday night. In that case we use the, but generally in common we need not to use the before names of meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, unless specified. So only in particular case we can use the already mentioned. In that case we use the lunch, the breakfast, the dinner, but in common general use we need not to use the before names of meals. Next, before parts of the body with possessive pronouns. Okay, parts of the body with possessive pronouns. You know, possessive means having. Okay, belongs. In that case, we need not to use the. So we can use the before part organs, human organs of human body. The heart we can use, but in possessive case we need not to use the heart. Okay, need not to use the my heart. My means that's the possessive. Is heart, our heart, like that. Our eyes. Okay, in that case possessive, they are with possessive nouns. The eyes, right. The heart, we can use the heart, but in possessive case need not use the my eyes. Here my is possessive pronoun. We have already discussed in pronouns, one type of pronouns, possessive pronouns. Our eyes, our is a possessive. Our eyes, the eyes is different, our eyes is different. So our eyes, our is a possessive pronoun. My legs, my heart. Okay, like that. Need not use the. Next, another case, before names of substances in general sense, substances is a material. Need not use the before substances, before material. Okay, in general sense. If you want to use particular case, in that case we can use the gold. Okay, if you want to use specified, in general sense you need not to use the steel, gold, silver, silk, iron, etc. If you want to talk about them, then we can use the, but in general sense we need not to use the. Okay, before nouns referring to certain institutions, unless they are used with a specific purpose. Okay, referring to certain institutions. Okay, in that case, for example, go to school, that is a common. Why go to school? For study. I go to school. Okay, need not to, I go to the school. Go to the school means separate purpose. In that case we have to use I go to the school. Go to the school, I go to the school to pay my fees, to pay my daughter's fees. For example, observe two sentences. I go to college every day. I go to the college to pay my daughter's fee. Observe these two sentences. In the first case, I go to college daily. That is my profession. As teaching is my profession, I go to college. So that is okay. In that case, need not to use the. So in second sentence, I go to the college to pay my daughter's fee. So that is another case. I go to another college. Okay, I go to college. What is my purpose here? To pay fee, not teaching. I go to college daily. That is my daily activity. Go to college, not the college. I go to the college to pay my daughter's fee. That is another purpose. What is the purpose here? To pay fee. In that case, we use the college. So in general sense, we need not to use the before institutions. Go to temple, go to hospital, like that. Go to the hospital means different purpose. Go to the temple means different purpose. Okay, why you go to the go to temple? To pray the God. Okay, no problem. So you go to the temple for another reason, another purpose. Then we have to use I go to the temple, I go to the hospital, like that. Okay, next, before titles, positions like king, pope, president, the name follows. In that cases we need not use definite article. The king Shivaji, need not use the king Shivaji. Rani Rudrama, need not use the Rani Rudrama. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, need not use the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We can use the king, no problem. The Rani, no problem. The Prime Minister, we can use the Prime Minister. Commonly we use the Prime Minister, but need not use the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, not the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Okay, like. Next, definite article the is not used before words showing nationality, used in plural form. Nationality, that is another case. Indians, Australians, Russians, Chinese, this is the nationality. Before this you need not use definite article the. Okay, next another case, names of mountains, peaks, hills. Okay, names of mountains, peaks, hills. In that case we need not to use the. Mount Everest, need not to use the Mount Everest, always use Mount Everest, but we can use the Himalayas. The Himalayas, that is a group of a chain of mountains, chain of hills. In that case the Himalayas. Okay, but coming to Mount Everest, here only Mount Everest, need not to use the Mount Everest. We can use the Mount or the Mount Everest, need not to use the Mount Everest. Tirumala Hills. Okay, not the Tirumala Hills. These are some cases where we need not use definite article the. So let us see another example. Okay, before all day all night, before all day, so these are words in a sentence. All day all night, before all day all night, we need not use the all day, the all night. It rained all day due to depression. All day, all the day, need not use all the day, all the night. Okay, this is another case we need not use definite article the. Okay, right. Summary, what we have discussed today. Yes, so today in today's class we focused on definite article the. So you know the is a article, an article. So articles are words that define nouns, a specific or unspecific. Okay, articles are words in English that defines a noun. So generally we use articles before nouns. That articles are specific or general. For specific persons we use definite article, unspecific or general case we use indefinite article. In the last session we discussed about all about indefinite article a or an, where indefinite article is used and where indefinite article is not used. So today's class we focused entirely on definite article, that is the. The is called as definite article. So we have seen different rules where we have to use definite article, where we need not to use definite article. Okay, coming to examination point of view, so where we have to use the, where we should not use the is most important. For that we have to once again review the rules of the usage of definite article. Review one again. Okay, review all the rules where we have to use the, where we should not use the. So in the next class we are going to do some exercises on articles. Okay, in the two sessions, yesterday previous session and this session we focused on articles. So the indefinite article and definite article. In the last session we talked about indefinite article with some rules and with some examples. So, and today's class we focused on definite article the, where it is used and where it should not be used. So review all about definite articles and indefinite articles, review all the rules. In the next class, in the coming session, we are going to do some exercises on articles. Okay, to learn what we have learnt in the two sessions, to check what we have learnt in the two sessions. For that, in the coming session we are going to do some exercises on articles. So for that we have to review all the rules regarding to the articles, indefinite article and definite article, where we have to use and where we should not use. Okay, shall we meet and next session. Thanks for listening. Signing off.